I've been using Emergent AI for a few months now, and honestly, my experience has been a roller coaster. For anyone managing Shopify stores or small coding projects, it's the kind of tool that promises to speed things up, but you need to understand both its strengths and limitations before relying on it fully. When I first started, it felt like having a coding buddy right beside me. The AI is super smart when it comes to generating code, refactoring, and even helping with app development from start to finish. I could plan code, test, and deploy apps all in one place, and it's supposed to handle library upgrades, migrations, and code-base refactoring automatically. For someone running a small online business, this means you could theoretically handle back-end features, custom Shopify apps, or even automate workflows without juggling multiple developers or tools. On paper, it's exactly what a developer like me wants, a workspace that's meant to remove roadblocks and speed up the entire software development process. In practice, though, it's a mixed bag. While the potential is enormous, you quickly realize that it's not yet flawless and sometimes requires manual oversight. The AI is great at understanding front-end bugs and suggesting fixes, and the data warehousing and ETL pipeline stuff is neat if you're dealing with big data. It also has features for maintaining documentation and building internal tools, which I actually found really handy. For Shopify owners, that could mean automating inventory reports, generating internal dashboards, or keeping code organized for apps that manage orders, shipping, or customer data. But here's where it gets tricky. Emergent eats through your credits faster than I expected. And once you hit the paywall, it starts acting glitchy. Some of the code suggestions go off track or misinterpret what I wanted, and then you realize your credits are being consumed without producing solid results. I spent a decent chunk of time thinking I was getting somewhere, only to hit those errors and have to refill credits. For anyone on a tight budget, like a small e-commerce business owner, this can be frustrating because time and money both matter. That said, when it works, it feels like a productivity boost. I could automate scripting tasks, integrate SaaS quickly, and even improve testing coverage without juggling multiple tools. For example, if you're trying to style a custom Shopify theme or build reusable scripts for inventory management, Emergent can help you get there faster when it functions correctly. The idea behind Emergent is strong, and the fact that it's backed by Y Combinator gives me confidence that it's legit technology, not just hype. But compared to some other AI coding assistants I've tried, it can feel unreliable if you're on a tight schedule or budget. If you need consistent, error-free output for client projects or live stores, you'll want to double-check everything the AI generates. My takeaway is that Emergent AI is brilliant in concept and can really streamline your workflow. But be ready for those frustrating moments when the AI hits errors and starts eating credits, which can feel like a total waste if you're not careful. A practical approach is to use it for brainstorming, scaffolding code, or tackling repetitive tasks, rather than expecting it to fully replace human oversight. Overall, I'd say it's a tool with huge potential. Just don't expect it to be flawless yet. For Shopify store owners and developers alike, it's worth exploring, especially if you're looking for ways to save time on coding or internal automation. But always have a plan for error checking and credit management.